Sunday service on a roll. Sunday service on a roll. Sunday service on a roll.
Okay, of course, sensuality, sexuality, things of that nature. But the number one thing is love. Okay, and it's love for self. See, people see y'all about to have me going in on here.
Come on, bring it down, Will. Bring it.
I love it. I love it.
Hey, the family needs to know this, man, because that's what we've been telling them. Everybody feels it, and we need that energy so that fear can come on.
See, they look, bro. They're already saying, look, talk about the relationships because it's all one. It's all in that. Mm-hmm. Okay. See, this is the thing with us, because of what we've been taught. What we've been taught is the greatest love is someone else. Okay. The greatest love is outside of us. Okay. So that's why we constantly are looking for someone and not understanding that when you love yourself. And I'm not talking about Will Copprue. This is an avatar. I've had many of these. Right. Okay. What I'm talking about, when you find love of God, which is your higher self, when you find that frequency of love, see, that's the love that we haven't seen yet. Okay. See, what we got today is crumbs of that whole loaf of bread. We only have crumbs. So what we call love is really attachments, so to speak. All right. Mm-hmm. So when we say stuff like you need to love yourself, my more to show y'all say it on here, probably every week, love yourself, right? Love yourself. We're not talking about the avatar. The avatar comes second. We're talking about bringing the love of you. Okay. For example, because we don't understand what love is, the umbrella, which is religion, they teach us that, well, all relationships you got to work on. You got to work on relationships because love comes with pain. Check this out, fam. When I'm among the deities, okay, from Goetia, from Hermes, the Greek deities, I don't care, wherever I am, okay, the only thing that exists with them is love. There is no pain, no suffering, nothing. It's only love. Okay. So when we get into these unions, okay, we were taught that in marriages, we were taught that you have to find your significant other to make that one. Okay. The male and female. All right. Now, because again, we're under this umbrella of religion, they dumbed it down. It wasn't a physical man and woman. It was a spiritual, masculine, feminine energy becoming one again and becoming whole. Yeah. Okay. It was a single journey. It was a selfish journey to find the love within you. Okay, so now presented today, we have many relationships, okay? And there is not one relationship that don't have ups and downs. And that reason is we're not vibrating on the highest level of love, which is the God love within us all. Yeah. Now, if you can find that one, I know one couple that I know that they push each other, they meditate with each other, and they push themselves to rise up. And like I said about y'all before we went on, I say that's rare. You know what y'all got, right? Say that's rare. Okay, that's not everywhere. Okay, all right. The more y'all can find God, push each other to meditate and climb that ladder, get in that elevator and hit 7, to get to the top of that building. Okay, that's when you will really find heaven. Okay, because how my man used to say it, how Bob used to say it, it could be chaos, it can be all kind of crazy, wicked shit going on outside. But when you're in that highest level of you, which is the heart chakra, the purple heart, you could walk through all of that mess and be singing songs and cheering and dancing.
Yeah.
You know, and people looking at you like, man, what's wrong with you? You don't see all this going on? Man, hey, look, that don't even bother me, man. But I'm saying homeboy just got shot and all of this, man. He got killed and all of that. Man, he wasn't even in that body when it happened, man. So I'm good. I'm good. I'm going over here, you know, shoot, see what the wings hitting for. Shoot, I'm going chill, relax, watch some Fred Sanford or something. You know, that's what it does. It changes you. It brings the love and light. It brings the love and light. Okay, it literally changed your perspective of everything. Okay, all right. It makes you a different person. Okay, and that's when you start to feel heaven. Okay, all right, and that's when sometime, you know, you have to come down to help your people and bring them up with you, but that don't stop your peace. I said this one day. I said, if someone I was to get in a relationship with and they were worrying every damn day, I don't know how fast I would leave their ass, man, because my peace is more important than anything in existence. My peace that I've discovered through finding the love at the top of that building, I don't need nothing breaking that energy.
Whew. Will Copprue bringing this light, y'all.